can do is you can head back if you want to, and we can stop off somewhere on the way up. Whatever.
Like I could jump here.
What, in them shoes?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
It was a good day when we walked down to Tintagel. That good day for me, wasn't it? We're sort of just like twiddling our thumbs. We're in Boscastle now. I've got to unload the car, and then oh yeah, I've got some pumpkins. We're in Boscastle. The weather's absolutely shite, and we can't go in the accommodation till 5 o'clock. So that's not a good start, actually, to be honest with you. I wasn't too impressed with that. I think really 3 or 4 o'clock the very latest. You know what you say?
I agree with you,
Yeah.
darling.
Yeah.
No chance.
Yeah.